Welcome to 136 Tech and Games. Hope you doing well. In this video, I gonna show you how to create a shortcut to open CMD into administrator mode directly from the Windows toolbar with just one click. So stay with me and like this video if you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's break the ice. Right-click on Desktop. Hover over New. Click on Shortcut. A file will open. Type there cmd.exe. Then click Next. Click on Finish. A file will be created. A CMD shortcut is created, but this will not open in admin mode. For this purpose we have to do something. Right-click on Created File and choose Properties. Click on Advanced. And check this option, Run as Administrator. This option will allow you to run CMD in administrator mode while you protecting your PC from unauthorized activities. Click on OK, then apply again. Click on OK and see how simple it was. Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe for more exciting content. Allah Hafiz, bye, see ya soon.